跟着 Amy 走走看看，学中文。Wow, Dylan, you look very different today.
Thank you. I never tried 裙子 on me before.
Of course. Okay, but actually we call it 长袍.
Oh, 长袍.
Yes. How do you feel in it?
Hey, it's good. It's comfortable. It's pretty.
Oh, nice. Yes.
Yeah, I like yours as well. It's really pretty and colorful.
Thank you. All right. This is actually called 旗袍, a female version of a traditional gown. 旗袍 is a significant part in the history of Chinese women's fashion. It originated in the 1920s, Shanghai, and at that time it had a looser cut and wider sleeves. But the style started to change until the 1980s with its more modern look, like this. Here at Flight, they have assortment of different styles of 旗袍. They come in different side slits, lengths, fastenings, colors, and sleeves. Dylan, how do you say style in Mandarin?
新
Oh, that's a good try. 新衣 means new clothes. Actually, we say 款式.
Oh, 款式
Yes, okay. All sorts of styles, 各种各样的款式。
各种各样的款式
很好。颜色
颜色
different colors, 各种各样的颜色。
各种各样的颜色
很好。Okay, what about fabric? 布料。
布料
各种各样的布料。
各种各样的布料
很好。
各种各样的旗袍
Oh yes, you're right. Well done. If you want to try something on, you can say 可以试穿吗？
可以试穿吗
Okay, that's a good try. Let's try it again. 可以
可以
试
试
穿
穿
吗？
吗
可以试穿吗？
可以试穿吗
That was good. What's the matter, Dylan?
可以试穿吗
Oh, good question. Okay, actually we say 戴 for hats and accessories.
Oh, I see.
So
可以
what
试
would you
戴
say?
吗
Yes, that's right. Okay, of course you can. 你喜欢什么颜色？
黄色
黄色 of course. 来试试。
好谢谢
Oh, that was pretty nice. Bright color, really nice on you. 很好看。What about the black one?
Bit too big.
Too big, yes. 太大了。Agree what? Ooh, okay.
It's good.
I would say this one suits you the best. 适合。
适合
Yes, 很适合。
很适合
Yes, 浅颜色。
浅颜色
浅颜色很适合你。
浅颜色很适合我
That's right. Good.
Thanks, Amy.
No problem. Hello, Dylan.
Hi, Amy.
Here we've got all different kinds of soaps. Have a look.
Oh, it smells so good.
Yes.
I love it.
And also have a look at the packaging.
Oh, look nice.
Yeah,
Cute.
they're cute. They are one of the most popular artisan gifts from this part of the world to your families.
Oh.
Especially this soap. It is made of a special Chinese herb. Can you guess which traditional holiday is this one made for?
我怎么知道 How do I supposed to know?
没关系 It's Dragon Boat Festival.
端午节
答对了 It's the 5th day of the 5th lunar month and is known as the Dragon Boat Festival. On this day, traditionally, we have to take a herbal bath with the wormwood herb, 艾草.
Oh, what? What is it for?
Good question. Actually, it is believed that it can remove the hidden ailments and stagnant energies out of our body. Let's learn a sentence about the inspiration of this 艾草 soap. 端午节时，家家户户都洗艾草水。端午节
端午节
时，
时
端午节时，
端午节时
家家户户
家家户户
都
洗
艾草
艾草
水。
水
家家户户都洗艾草水。
家家户户都洗艾草水
Good pronunciation. It's a long sentence, not easy. Have you celebrated the Dragon Boat Festival here in Taiwan?
Oh no, never, but I heard there's Dragon Ball lace on the river or something like that?
Exactly. So can you try and use 家家户户 with the spectating the game?
好，家家户户都看比赛。
太棒了，好棒啊 That was nice. So we try them on.
Excuse me, can you introduce this one to me, please?
Oh, okay, of course.
Thank you.
And this one is for face. And you view balloon skin or mixed skin, and I will recommend it to you.
Lovely.
And this is our #1 product in our store.
Wow. Okay, what is it made for?
Cucumber.
Oh, it's for cucumber. Okay, I see.
Smell fresh. And this one?
And this one is for body and for normal skin. And it has green tea flavor, and most of people like it. Would you like to try them?
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
Let's try out.
Wow, 好多 There are a lot of soaps here.
And what is it?
这个是我们可以产生很多泡泡用的一个工具，那我可以示范一下给你看。
So it's a tool for making foams.
Oh, I see.
这是我们那个销售第1名的那个香皂，那就先沾点水后去搓香皂，
So get some water and then, wow, scrub it.
然后再把那香皂拿出来，
Take out the soap
回去
and then keep washing. Wow.
Smart.
That's interesting. This is the one that we were talking about, made of cucumbers, right?
对。
Yeah. Well, that's amazing.
Yeah, there's a lot. Oh,
Wow.
thank you.
还有.
Good. Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's how you do it. Thank you. 谢谢你. Wow. Okay. How long should we like rub?
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 seconds. Sorry, 10 seconds.
That's funny. Okay. So and then we can wash it off. Cool. Oh, it touches so nice.
Yeah. So soft.
Yes.
And it's quite funny at the same time.
Yeah. 太棒了，谢谢你。Wow, okay, we've learned quite a lot about the arts and crafts here in this part of the world. I love the soaps here.
Yeah.
What about you, Dylan?
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
It was great. It was great fun.
Yeah, it was very fun. Thank you very much for your
Thank
introduction.
you. What is the challenge for today?
Wow, you're asking for challenge yourself?
Alright.
Do you want a difficult question or an easier one?
Difficult one.
No problem. I never run out of difficult questions. So number 1, 这个款式很适合你. What does it mean?
这个款式很适合你. That size suits you real well.
Exactly, good. 1 point got.
Thank
And
you.
second question, how do you say, can I try it on in Chinese?
可以一起穿吗?
Oh, 很棒，很好. Then what about for accessories and hats?
可以一起戴吗?
很好的，对了, good. And the third question, in which season is 端午节?
Summer?
Yes, exactly. How do you remember that?
Because I think it's that season that we need an extra buy.
Yeah, agree with you. Well, that's all about it today. See you all next time.
See you next time.
下次见。